guys, it's Miss Antash. I have written a book for you guys today about people finding their element. And you might be asking yourself, what do you mean by finding your element? Well, your element is something that you do that makes you happy. It can be related to your job or not related to your job. It's just something that makes you happy and makes you successful in life. So I wrote a story about three real people who have found their element and are very happy and successful in their life. So I'm going to read it to you. Okay, so it's called Finding Their Element. The Dancer. Once there was a girl who could not sit still. She was always wanted to move. Moving, though, caused problems in school where she was told to sit still. So the girl's mother took her to the doctors to find out why she couldn't sit still. Even at the office she was struggling to sit. After the girl was looked at by the doctor, he turned on the radio and left the room with the mom. After the adults left the room and watched from a window, something magical happened. The girl got up and began to dance. She was a dancer, and dancing helped her move. So she was put in dance classes and that helped her move, learn, and do well in school. That girl's name was Gillian Lynn, and she became a famous dancer and choreographer when she grew up. This led her to choreographing the Broadway show Cats. The actress. A young woman named Meg Ryan was out of school trying to find her place in the world. She had very good grades in school and was very good at writing. I will be a journalist, she thought, since she liked writing so much. She did not want to be an actress. She hated being on stage in front of people. In fact, when she gave a speech in the 8th grade, she couldn't finish and her mother had to get her off stage. Once she graduated from high school, she went to New York University in New York to pursue journalism and writing. Writing was her passion, but she was drawn to the world of acting. While at NYU, she needed help paying tuition, money for school, and took jobs in TV commercials, which led her to acting in a TV show, As the World Turns, and there she discovered she really liked the people on the show. She liked the conversation, dialogue, and working on characters. As much as she loved acting, she still wanted to be a writer, and after graduating from NYU, she spent some time abroad in Europe before returning to the US to star in a movie in Los Angeles, California. From this movie, she rediscovered her love of acting that she put aside. When she met up with acting teacher Peggy Fury, she was introduced to many more people like her with a passion for showing the human condition and bringing writing to life. Now she decided that she wanted to be with this group of people and do this too. Meg Ryan, through finding her passion in a group of people, has become a famous actress and loves every minute of it. The Writer. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Jessica who had cerebral palsy and had trouble with her balance, so she used crutches to help her walk. Using crutches, though, meant she was limited in what she could do physically do, even in recess and PE. This left her feeling alone a lot. Not being able to move and be like the other kids made Jessica sad, and she was longed for some way to move and forget her crutches. She wanted to be part of a group. One day Jessica's friend Jill was telling her about horseback riding. Horseback riding sounded very interesting to Jessica, so she talked to her mom. Jessica's mom called a barn in New Caney and set up lessons since this lady taught kids with and without disabilities. That first lesson was fun, and Jessica found a new sense of freedom on top of the horse, even at a walk. Eventually she moved faster than a walk on the horse and could go anywhere. She loved it and the new confidence and happiness it gave her. She even forgot about the crutches and felt like everyone else. To this day, Jessica's riding horses, being happy, and part of a group. Oh, and her last name is Antash. The end. Okay. Alright guys, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed it.